Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
Lesson 5. The importance of praying for more knowledge. Allah once asked Prophet Musa,
"Who is the most knowledgeable person?"
He replied,
I do not know anyone more knowledgeable than you, O Allah. And you have also given special knowledge to me.
Allah then told him,
"Yes, O Musa, I am the most knowledgeable, and from my servants, KAZ is more knowledgeable than you."
After hearing this, Prophet Musa really wanted to meet Al-Khizr and learn from him, so he went in search of him. When he found Al-Khizr, he thanked Allah for this blessing. For Prophet Musa, it was a very special moment to finally meet him. He thought to himself,
I will try to learn everything I can from KAZ.
At one point, they were walking together along the coast when they saw a bird filling its beak with water from the ocean and pouring it onto the ground. Al-Khizr asked,
Do you know why this bird is doing this?
The Prophet shook his head and listened carefully to what Al-Khizr was about to say.
This is Allah's way of showing us that our knowledge compared to His knowledge is like a drop in the gigantic ocean.
And say, "My Lord, give me more knowledge."
Ask Allah for useful knowledge,